In this video, we do a challenge. How many concrete words are you able to recall in 1 minute? Are you ready? You have 1 minute starting. You have to memorize these words backwards and forwards. Time's up. We look at abstract words now. You have 1 minute to memorize these abstract words. Okay, time is up. Make a note of the amount of words you are able to recall, because you want to compare what you can do now to what you can do at the end of 30 days. Well, mathematical expressions. So in another video, we'll check your ability to memorize mathematical expressions. So what we're doing is we're establishing a benchmark with which we can compare our performance before starting this course to our performance after completing the course, so you can get an objective assessment in terms of how improved your memory has become after this training.